How to change location in Roblox. So if this video have helped you, click the subscribe button and the bell icon on so you'll be updated other uploads in this channel. So right now, I'm going to show you how to change your location in Roblox very fast. So first, let us open up our Roblox app on your mobile phone. So this will be going to open the Roblox. Just wait for the loading screen. Okay, so we are in right now, and what we would do is to go to the bottom right with the three dots, go to the settings, and then go to the account info. So once you are here on your account info, you would see obviously your account infos like name, age, birthdays, and things like that. And also you can see here before your country where you are located or your region. So what we will do now is to look for it, but it seems like that Roblox in the recent update has removed the feature of stating the your region and be able to change it. So in older versions of Roblox you can. So right now Roblox hasn't put it back yet, and I hope this helps, and thank you for watching.